Kayo ba ay isang mining company, construction company or quarry owner na naghahanap ng dekalidad, maaasahan at abot kayang trucks and heavy-duty machineries? Don't worry! Kami na ang bahala sa mga hanap nyo! A trustworthy construction equipment provider, lahat ng construction needs nyo nandito! We offer brand new trucks and heavy-duty equipment gaya ng Shacman H3000 dump truck, 20 CBM Weichai engine, 380 horsepower, mechanical, 340 horsepower Weichai engine, self-loading with 5 tons boom, mechanical, .58 CBM wheel backhoe Cummins engine, Weichai engine 3 CBM Xcmg wheel loader, .45 CBM Xcmg skid loader, 380 and 420 HP Weichai engine tractor head, 4.5 CBM Sino truck, XE113E 4x4 10 tons vibro roller, XE2150 1 CBM and 2150A 1.1 CBM crawler excavator, 12 wheelers X3000 Euro 4 dump truck, and so much more. We offer cash basis, bank and local financing. Open for client referrals with huge cash discounts for cash payments and bank financing. Tutulungan namin kayo sa pag-process sa bangko para mas mabilis at hassle-free loan. Click the message button for inquiries and to get our contact number. Let's make your construction better and easier.